Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to compare two columns in Google Sheets using the COUNTIF function. This is incredibly useful when you need to identify matching items between two lists or find unique entries quickly. First, head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to compare the two columns using the COUNTIF function. This will open your spreadsheet in a new view. Now, let's say you have some sample data ready. In this example, we're working with two product columns that we want to compare against each other. This could be anything from product names, employee IDs, or any data where you need to check for matches or differences. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the comparison result to appear. This is where you'll build your COUNTIF formula. Start by typing equals COUNTIF open parenthesis. This function will count how many times a value appears in a specified range. Now, select the range for your first product column by clicking and dragging over all the cells you want to include. This establishes the range where the function will search for matches. Here's an important step. Add a $sign before both the column letter and the row number in your range. This creates an absolute reference, which means the range won't shift when you copy the formula down to other cells. After setting up your range, type a comma. Then click on the cell in the second product column that you want to check against the first column. Close the function with a closing parenthesis and then type greater than 0. This part of the formula checks if the count is more than 0, meaning a match was found. You'll notice a small blue circle appears at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag this circle all the way down to apply the formula to all the rows you want to compare. This copies the formula while maintaining the absolute reference you set earlier. Now, you can see the results appear as either false or true in each cell. If the result shows true, it means that the product in column B has the same product name as something in column A. Essentially, it's a match. If the result shows false, it means that product is unique and doesn't appear in the first column. This method gives you a quick visual way to spot duplicates or unique entries between two datasets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.